Yesterday we have started state space analysis. In that, how to model a mechanical system in state space model that we have seen. Today, let us see some more examples on that. Obtain the state space representation of the system shown in figure. Obtain the state space representation of the system shown in figure. We know how to obtain the mathematical model for this. The forces acting on the mass M1 are Fm, Fb1, Fk1, Fb2, and Fk2 are the forces acting on M1. Similarly, forces acting on M2 are F of t, U of t, Fb2, Fk2, Fm2 are the forces acting on M2. Displacement in the first mass is x1, y1, and the displacement in second mass is y2. Therefore, the mathematical model is M1 d square y1 by dt square plus B1, one end is fixed, therefore B1 dy1 by dt plus K1 y1, and these are all acting between two masses. That's why plus B2 d by dt of y1 minus y2 plus K2 y1 minus y2 equal to 0. No applied force, that's why equal to 0. This is first equation. The second equation is M2 d square y2 by dt square plus B2 dy2 by dt plus K2, B2 d by dt of y2 minus y1, because both ends are moving, and K2 y2 minus y1 equal to applied force U of t. This is second equation. What is the order of the system? Here order is 4, because this is second order, this is another second order. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Therefore, the given system is fourth order system. How many state variables will be there? 4 state variables will be there. 4 state variables will be there. We have to assign these state variables. First, let us assign x1 equal to y1. X1 dot equal to x2, that is equal to y1 dot. Similarly, x3 equal to y2, another state variable, and x3 dot equal to y2 dot equal to x4. So we assigned 4 state variables. we have to convert this given equation. We have to convert this. We have to convert these two equations into state model. State model. That is the question actually, because we know how to obtain these two equations. The first unit we studied. Now we have to convert this into state model. So first thing is we have to find the order of the system. The order of the system is 4. Therefore, 4 state variables are there. 4 state variables are there. Now we are assigning the 4 state variables. X1 equal to Y1, because the first displacement is one state variable. Second displacement is another state variable. X1 equal to Y1, X1 dot equal to X2 equal to Y1 dot. That is, X2 is another state variable. Third state variable is Y2, X3 equal to Y2, X3 dot equal to Y2 dot equal to X4. So we defined 4 state variables. Now we have to substitute all these things in this equation and we have to find the model. Here, this is equal to what? Second derivative of Y1 is X2 dot. Am I correct? Or X1 double dot. Or we can say that it is X1 double dot. X2 dot or X1 double dot, we can say second derivative, because X1 is Y1, X1 double dot. This is what? This is Y1 dot. Y1 dot equal to X2 or X1 dot. Y1 dot equal to X2 or X1 dot. Normally we have to assign state variable, not derivative of state variable. Y1 is X1. This is X1. So Y1 is X1. Y2 is X3. Y1 is X1. Y3 is X3. This is X1 dot minus X3 dot. That is X4. We can write this. X3 dot. That is equal to X1 dot is X2 minus X4. Now we'll convert. Before converting this, the first equation can be written as M1 d square Y1 by dt square equal to minus B1 dy1 by dt plus minus k y1 minus B2 d by dt of y1 minus y2 minus k2 y1 minus y2. Now substitute all these variables. D square y1 by dt square is, you can bring this, before doing that, we can bring this M1 to the right hand side. 1 by M1. Therefore, X2 dot equal to minus B1 by M1. dy1 by dt is X2. The right hand side, we should not write any derivative. We should write that's why we should not put X1 dot, we should put X2, because X1 dot equal to X2. Whether we have to substitute X1 dot or X2, we have to think, we have to substitute X2, because it is not, we should not substitute any derivative. Minus K by, this is K1. K1 by M1. Y1 is X1. Minus B2 by M1. B2 by M1. Derivative of Y1 is X2 minus derivative of Y2 is X4. Then minus K2 by M1, X1 minus X3. y2 is x3. That's all. So we converted the first equation in terms of first order differential equation. X2 dot equal to group all x1 together minus k1 plus k2 upon m1 multiplied by x1. All x1s are grouped. X2s are grouped. Group all x2s minus b1 plus b2 upon m1 multiplied by x2. Group all x3 together plus k2 by m1 x3. Group all x4 together plus b2 by m1 x4. Already we have x1 dot equal to x2 one equation. For x2 also we got. This is equation A. This is equation B. From second equation, we have to find the. So what is second equation? M2 d square y2 by dt square equal to minus b2 d by dt of y2 minus y1 minus k2 y2 minus y1 plus u of t. What is this can also be written as m2 y2 double dot equal to minus b2 y2 dot minus y1 dot minus k2 y2 minus y1 plus u of t. y2 double dot is x3 dot. y2 double dot means y2 dot. y2 dot equal to x3 dot. Therefore, we can write x3 dot equal to minus b2 by m2. y2 dot is x4. y2 dot is x4 or x3 dot or x4 minus b2 by m2. y1 dot equal to y1 equal to x1, y1 dot equal to x2 minus k2 by m2. y2 is x3 plus k2 by m2. This is plus because of 2 minus, that's why plus. k2 by m2, y1 is x1 plus u of t. So now this is equation B. Already we have one equation x3 dot equal to x4. We have one equation x3 dot equal to x4. Now put all together in matrix form x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot, x4 dot. Equal to x1, x2, x3, x4 plus u is in the third equation only. U is in the x3 dot only. Therefore, we can put 0, 0, 1, 0 u of t. Here, what are the coefficients of first equation? x1 dot equal to x2. Therefore, 0, 1, 0, 0. x1 dot equal to x2. Then this equation we have to consider. The coefficient of x1 is minus k1 plus k2 divided by m1. Minus k1 plus k2 upon m1. The second element is minus b1 plus b2 divided by m1. Minus b1 plus b2 divided by m1. This is second element. Third element, k2 by m1. K2 divided by m1. The fourth element is b2 by m1. b2 divided by m1. Here x3 dot equal to x4. This is 1. All others are 0. Here from this x3 dot we have to write. Sorry. X3 dot equal to x4. Correct one. X3 dot equal to. Here y2 double dot is x4. X4. I did wrongly. Am I correct? Y2 dot equal to x4. Y2 double dot equal to x3 dot. Sorry, y. This is y2 dot equal to x3 dot. X3 dot. Therefore, sorry, x4 dot or x3 double dot or x4 dot or x4 dot equal to, we have to find. Therefore, this is x4 dot. X4 dot. X3 dot equal to x4 and x4 dot equal to this. What is a coefficient of x1? K2 by m2. K2 by m2 plus what is coefficient of x2? b2 by m2. b2 by m2. What is the coefficient of x3? minus k2 by m2. Coefficient of x4 is minus b2 among m2. So this is A matrix. This is A matrix. This is B matrix. That is x dot equal to ax plus bu. Suppose you want to write output equation, means what are all outputs? Y1 and Y2 are outputs. Y1 and Y2 are outputs. Y1, Y2. These two are output equal to what you will get? Y1 equal to x1. Y1 equal to x1. Y2 equal to x3. Y2 equal to x3. Therefore, we can write 0. We can write 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is second row is x3. X3. Therefore, 0, 0, 1, 0. X1, X2, X3, X4. This is C matrix. D matrix equal to 0 in this case. In this case, D matrix is 0. Y1 equal to X1. That is the displacement. Y2 is x3. That's all. D matrix is 0 in this case. That's all about this sum. So we wrote in state space model.